Are you ready to make a move on Netflix stock? Get ready to dive deep into the world of Netflix as we unveil our latest analysis. Our initial report was just the beginning, and now we're back with even more detailed insights. Don't miss out on any important updates that could impact your investments. Subscribe, like, and turn on notifications to stay in the know. Take your trading decisions to the next level with our cutting-edge AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, available at StockInvest.us. Discover the power of AI with free price predictions and in-depth analysis for over 25,000 companies worldwide. Remember, this video is for informational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Brace yourselves. Our system has just ranked Netflix as a sell candidate since October 20, 2023, with a concerning score of -1.56. But wait, there's more. Let's dive into the stock's performance during this period and uncover the shocking truth. Hold on tight, because we'll be keeping a close eye on this evaluation to reveal how it unfolds in the coming days. Are you ready for some exciting stock analysis? Let's dive in. The stock has just broken a wide and falling short-term trend up. But hold on, there might be more to this story. We're seeing a slower falling rate, which could be an early signal of a trend shift. Brace yourself, because there's an interesting support level waiting for us on the roof of the current trend. It's at $400.64, and it could be our second chance to hit a runner. But don't get too ahead of yourself, because according to fan theory, there's a resistance level at $457.35 that may not be broken at the first attempt. Now let's talk about the future. The current 3-month trend suggests a potential -15.27% change over the next 3 months. That's quite a shift. But don't worry, there's still hope. It could bring a possible return between -27.32% and -15.33%. Keep your eyes peeled for any surprises along the way. Are you ready for the long game? The 12-month trend is here to give us some insights. It suggests a whopping 40.35% change over the next 12 months. That's a game changer. And guess what? There's a potential return between 21.59% and 80.9%. Can you imagine the possibilities? Hold on tight, because this could mean a price range of $487.53 to $725.33 after a year. Your investment could really pay off. Hey there. Get ready for the latest update on Netflix. Brace yourself for some intriguing news: weaker technical forecast for Netflix as stock downgraded to sell candidate. Hold on tight as we dive into the details. On the last trading day, Friday, October 20, 2023, the Netflix stock price experienced a slight dip of -0.202%. It went from $401.77 to $400.96. But that's not all. Throughout the day, the stock price fluctuated by a whopping 3.17%, starting from $398.01 and reaching a high of $410.64. Talk about volatility. Although the price has fallen in 7 of the last 10 days, it's still up by 5.1% over the past 2 weeks. Now, here's an interesting tidbit: the trading volume fell alongside the stock, which is actually a positive sign. Volume should follow the stock, right? On the last day, the trading volume fell by -15 million shares. In total, 12 million shares were bought and sold, amounting to a staggering $4.92 billion. Let's take a trip down memory lane. Over the past 52 weeks, the Netflix stock has seen its fair share of highs and lows. The highest price it reached was $485, while the lowest dipped down to $252.09. Currently, the price is 17.33%, or $84.04, below the 52-week high. And that's not all. It's also 42.8%, or $300.03, below the all-time high, which was achieved on November 17, 2021. Can you believe it reached a whopping $700.99 back then? Breaking news: analyst ratings for Netflix. In the latest report on Thursday, October 19, 2023, Needham expressed caution towards Netflix, giving it a cautious grade with a recommendation to hold. Deutsche Bank also weighed in, downgrading Netflix and assigning it a hold grade. However, there's good news from Goldman Sachs, as they upgraded Netflix and gave it a buy grade. Morgan Stanley is also bullish on Netflix, upgrading it to overweight with a positive action. Meanwhile, Wells Fargo maintained a neutral stance and recommended holding on to Netflix. Breaking news. Analysts are absolutely bullish on Netflix stock, giving it a strong buy rating. And that's not all. They also rate the PE ratio as a screaming strong buy, and the price-to-book ratio also gets a strong buy grade. But wait, there's more. In terms of return on investment, the analysts have a more neutral stance on Netflix stock. Hey there. Get ready for some exciting news about Netflix. Hold on tight because we've got some fascinating signals to share with you. The Netflix stock is making big moves, and we're here to break it down for you. Are you ready? Let's dive in. First things first, the stock is showing some positive signs. Both the short and long-term moving averages are giving buy signals, indicating a bright forecast for Netflix. However, there's an interesting twist. The stock also has a general sell signal due to the relation between these two signals. The long-term average is currently above the short-term average. It's a bit of a mixed bag, don't you think? But wait, there's more. On corrections down, there will be some support from the lines at $368.91 and $392.63. Keep an eye out for a potential breakdown below these levels, as it could issue sell signals. Let's talk about the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD. It's giving us a buy signal, adding some positive vibes to the mix. But, hey, not everything is rainbows and butterflies. Some negative signals have been issued as well, and these may have an impact on the near short-term development. We can't ignore them. Here's an interesting fact: a sell signal was issued from a pivot top point on Thursday, October 19, 2023. And guess what? The stock has already fallen -0.202% since then. It looks like there might be a further fall until a new bottom pivot is found. But don't fret. There's a silver lining. The volume fell alongside the price during the last trading day, reducing the overall risk. In theory, volume should follow the price movements, so this could be a positive sign. Phew. That was a lot to take in, right? But we hope you found it as exciting as we did. Stay tuned for more updates on Netflix, and remember, the stock market is always full of surprises. Get ready to discover some fascinating signals that could change your investment game. Let's start with the moving average convergence divergence, which is currently giving a strong buy signal. Pivots, on the other hand, flashed a sell signal 2 days ago. Keep an eye on it. Bollinger Bands recently showed a buy signal just a day ago. It could be an opportunity worth exploring. The short-term moving average also indicated a buy signal 3 days ago, suggesting potential growth ahead. Similarly, the long-term moving average signaled a buy 3 days ago, reinforcing positive market sentiment. And don't forget the intriguing relationship between the short and long moving averages, which generated a buy signal 27 days ago. It's an interesting trend to watch. Now, let's turn our attention to the 12-month chart for more insights. The short moving average triggered a buy signal 3 days ago, indicating a possible uptrend. However, the long-term moving average flashed a sell signal 28 days ago, suggesting caution in the market. The relationship between the short and long moving averages is quite intriguing, with a buy signal 18 days ago. Keep a close watch on this. For more exciting signals like these, head over to our page at StockInvest.us. Don't miss out on potential opportunities. Get ready for some exciting insights on Netflix. Brace yourself for a buying opportunity as Netflix finds solid support from accumulated volume at $400.49. This level is a key turning point, and we can expect an upward reaction when the support is tested. It's a chance you don't want to miss. Now, let's talk about the risk. Netflix is known for its average movements during the day, making it an ideal stock for trading. With good trading volume, the risk level is considered to be medium. So, there's potential for exciting gains without excessive risk. Let's dive into the numbers. In the last day, Netflix made a remarkable move of $12.63 between its highest and lowest points. That's a percentage change of 3.17%. And over the past week, the stock has shown a daily average volatility of 3.03%. That's the kind of action that keeps things interesting. Welcome back, folks. Today, we're going to explore some exciting trading levels for Netflix. But first, let's dive into some essential fundamental data to set the stage. Picture this, the price-to-earnings ratio, or P/E ratio. It's a crucial measure that gauges a company's current share price in relation to its per-share earnings. Get ready for some fascinating insights. Now, here's where things get interesting. A high P/E ratio could indicate that the stock is overvalued or that investors are anticipating exceptional future growth rates. It's like peering into the crystal ball of the market. Hold on to your hats because I've got some news for you. The next earnings report for Q4 2023 is scheduled for January 17, 2024. Mark your calendars. Are you ready to dive into some exciting day trading levels for Netflix? Let's start with the upward trend. Keep an eye on the first resistance level at $401.77. If you're not holding any shares yet, it might be wise to wait for this level to be breached before jumping in. But if you're already in the game, this could be the perfect opportunity for swing trading. Now, let's talk about the downside. Netflix faces its first support level at $400.49. If this level holds, it could be your golden ticket to enter the market and anticipate a rebound. Are you curious about Netflix's performance? Well, multiple analyst sources have given it a strong buy rating. But that's not all, let's dive into some exciting insider trades. Hold on tight, because on October 9, 2023, Barton Richard N. made a bold move by conducting an insider buy of 500 shares of common stock. And on the same day, Barton Richard N. surprised everyone with an insider sell of 500 shares of non-qualified stock option, right to buy. Wait, there's more. On October 9, 2023, Barton Richard N. also conducted an insider sell of 500 shares of common stock. Now, let's turn our attention to Hastings Reed. On October 2, 2023, Hastings Reed made a strategic insider buy of 17,717 shares of common stock. However, on the same day, Hastings Reed surprised us again by conducting an insider sell of 946 shares of common stock. We've done the math, and based on the 100 most recent insider trades, we've calculated the insider power to be negative with a ratio of -2.148. Here's the interesting part: insiders purchased a whopping 194,756 shares, while selling 205,132 shares in the last 100 trades. Breaking news: this stock has received a negative evaluation and there's a crucial mistake: no stop loss has been set. Are you wondering if Netflix stock is worth investing in? Well, let's take a closer look. At the moment, Netflix shows some concerning signals that indicate it might not perform strongly in the near future. In fact, based on our analysis, we have a negative evaluation of this stock. We've even downgraded our previous buy recommendation to a sell candidate due to some minor weaknesses in its technical picture. However, there's an interesting twist. Our systems have detected that the current price of Netflix is actually undervalued, considering its volatility and recent market movements. Now, let's talk about what to expect for trading on Monday, October 23rd. We anticipate that Netflix will open up with a gain of $2.24, starting the day's trading at $403.20. Attention all traders. Listen up. Before you dive into the exciting world of trading, we want to remind you of a few important things. Trading can be risky, and you could potentially lose money if you're not careful. That's why it's crucial to consult with a financial advisor before making any buying or selling decisions. And here's a friendly reminder: StockInvest.us should not be your sole basis for investment choices. Remember, it's your investment, and you are responsible for your decisions. We're here to provide information, but the final call is up to you. So, trade smart, stay informed, and make the best decisions for your financial future. Welcome to our captivating stock analysis. Get ready to dive into our current view of the stock. We're eager to hear your thoughts, so make sure to comment below and share your opinions. Plus, don't forget to tell us about your target for this stock. If you enjoy this content, remember to like and subscribe, and let us bring you more valuable insights. Wishing you successful trading in a truly beautiful day, with warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.